Okay, hey Ailing, I have not seen you in so long. It was so fun for me to see your name pop up on the brand audit list. I am super excited to dive in here and look at your website and your social media for you. So, one of the things you requested help with was posting content and also just attracting more people to work with you overall. So we'll talk about that for sure. And let's just start with your website here and take a little scroll through. And I want to start with the things that I really like that I think you're doing well. I love your color scheme. I love your logo. Really just something fun and different. I love the purple and pink. I actually kind of love how girly it is. Something I do really like here is that you can see right away, okay, she does accounting and bookkeeping. And I like this line of text here, the providing expert solutions for small to medium businesses and whatnot. So one thing that I would recommend you do here, I'm not sure what website platform you are on, but I would actually put your logo up here in the corner. Right here, you have this alignable um, badge on here. And this is something that I would put somewhere else on your page, and I would put your logo up here so that way people can see your logo kind of right away when they come to your site. And it makes a little bit more sense to have it kind of up here in the corner where people can see you. So I would do that. Let me just hide this stuff here. Get that out of the way. Okay. I love all of your wording here. This is great. Something I would do is spread this out just a little bit and maybe put some photos in between, some little banners, something like that, just to kind of um, break it up a little bit. And I love that you have a schedule consultation link here too. That is perfect. We want to have those call to actions all over the place. But it looks like it's going to a 404 page. That's no good. Okay, definitely fix that. People can't schedule a consultation if the link is broken. So we want to fix that. And then something else I would do is put a consultation button up here if you can. I have done this on my site. It's made a big difference. If you put a button just up here where it's super easily accessible, and you can even make the button a different color. Like you could make the button maybe this pink color so it stands out a little bit. And that is a great way for people to easily be able to contact you. So definitely fix that right away, and that will hopefully help you get some more leads. Okay, I did have a question about down here, this photo and what, I can't tell if it's one photo or two photos. It looks like it's just one, maybe a photo of your office or something here. I would put a photo of yourself over this because this is like, obviously it's a cute photo of your office, but it doesn't, one, show you, and it doesn't really have anything to do with bookkeeping. So it's a little confusing to come down here and be like, oh, what is this photo doing here on the homepage? So this might be something, if you want to keep this photo on your website, I would maybe put it in on your About Me page, something like that. If you want to show people what your office looks like and show them all your cute little signs here, I think that would be better on your About Me page. Okay, I love that you have your phone number down here. Bottom looks good. Let's double check these links. Checking for broken links is a big thing. It's actually kind of crazy to me how many people have broken links on their sites. People want to find you. Yeah, your LinkedIn is broken too. Definitely fix that. People want to be able to connect with you. So if your links are not working, then obviously that makes it really hard. Okay, you've got your alignable on here. Cool. Okay, I see these must be pictures of your office. Cute. I love your pink office. That is super fun. Definitely put some of them on your about page because it shows your personality really well. Yeah, fix these links. You could put your Instagram on here too and your Facebook because you do have those and you have content on there. So I would definitely attach these in here as well. Okay, so let's go up. Let's go away from your home page and go to your services page. Let's take a peek at what we've got here. Okay, services. All right, great. You've got a good breakdown here. Love that. Okay, this is nice and simple and clear, which is really good. Okay, that link is broken too, so definitely go fix all your Calendly links first thing. Yeah, this is really great that you have it lined out like this and it's nice and simple. Um, yeah, no notes really here other than definitely make sure that you get that link fixed. Okay, let's look at your contact. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, so I want to show you. So while people here are on other pages on your site, you do want to have your logo up here so people can see that regardless of what page they're on. So that's part of the reason why I recommend you switch this out to your logo up here. Okay, contact. Okay, here's all of your cute little office photos. Definitely put a photo of yourself in here as well, so that people can see what you look like in here in your contact. I think that would be really helpful for people. Yeah, all those Calendly links need fixing. And then something that's really fun to do on your contact page is to have a variety of photos. So you can put a professional photo of yourself, you can put a couple of your fun office photos, and if you have anything else kind of like about you, you can stick that in here as well on this page. So let's look at your about while we're on there's a photo of you. Yay. Yeah, definitely put a photo of yourself on the home page, and then you could probably put one on contact as well. So, great bio here. This is awesome. I would actually, now that I'm looking at this, I would move your cute office photos over here to about. And that way people can kind of see more of your personality and say, okay, here she is, cute picture. Here's her super cute office with all the fun colors. I would move those over here. Something to think about with contact pages is you want it to be really simple, right? Like you want people to come to your contact page because they want to reach out to you. You don't want to ever put too much on a contact page because that will be distracting. And you don't want people to get distracted and click away and be like, ooh, what is this? What is this? What is that? Click, 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 and get distracted while they're trying to reach out to you. So I'm a big advocate of simpler contact pages. For sure. So, okay, about page, definitely put a couple more photos of yourself on there. I love that you have a schedule button on every page. That's really great. Just got to make sure those links are working. Okay, you got your privacy policy up here. Okay, I would move your privacy policy down here to the bottom because that's obviously a page that's important to have on every site. But you want to put that down here because it's not like super important for people to come read it. What I would do is put that privacy policy down here and then move your contact button over here and then make it a big button, like a pink button for people to click on so that they can contact you super easily. And then see if you can get the link to that privacy policy kind of down here at the bottom somewhere. Okay, so let's go and move on to your socials. Let's your Facebook first. Okay. Looking good. You've got your intro in here. You've got fun pictures of yourself that you're posting. Love these graphics. Great job. Yeah, I see you have some other photos of yourself in here that are really cute. You can definitely put some more of those on your site. Oh, and it's got your office in the background. How fun. Okay. Yeah, so this is a really good start for a Facebook page. Obviously, you want to make sure that everything is connected. It looks like that's all good. Let's look over here at your about. Yeah, make sure all this stuff is correct. Okay, perfect. All right, let's pop back over to your Instagram here. Okay, Instagram. Let's just zoom in so I can read. You've got your website linked in here, which is great. Good job. Empower your business to okay, perfect. Something I would do here is I would center, well, a couple things. I would put your logo here, but just the logo part, maybe without the words, and just center that in there so it looks really nice. Something you can do to optimize your Instagram is Instagram now has the ability to put multiple links in your profile. So you can put your website, but you could also put a link directly to your Calendly once you get that fixed. Let's go back here. Go back to about. So this link, the consultation link, you can put that here in your drop down as well. So that way people can schedule with you directly from there, and then they don't have to go to your website and search around and find the link and the whole thing. So definitely put that in there. Something that might be good to put in your bio is put something about who you serve, right? So on your homepage, you had some good wording about that. Let's go back to your homepage. Okay, here we are. I would put this in your Instagram bio because it says, okay, we work with businesses and we work with self-employed individuals. Obviously, all keepers are different. All of you have different sort of people that you focus on working with, but I would put this line right up in here because now when people come to your Instagram, they'll be able to say, oh, okay, she works with small businesses, she works with self-employed people. That's what she specializes in. That's really great. So I know you had asked about what kind of things to post, so let's talk about that a little bit. It doesn't look like you're super active on your Instagram. Your last post was 19 weeks ago. Okay, cool. Oh, look at your little home office again. So cute. Okay. Graphics. I'm just kind of clicking through. Oh, you've got a reel on there. Okay, great. So if you want to work on your posting, something I've seen a lot of people do that works really well is posting content that kind of speaks to those small businesses, right? Taxes are really overwhelming, bookkeeping is really overwhelming. So posting little tips and tricks and things that are helpful for people can be a really great way to educate your followers and attract more business owners to follow you. And I would be curious to know where most of your new clients come from. If you're not tracking that, definitely start. I ask every single one of my clients how they found me, and that really helps me understand what marketing is working and what marketing is not, because we want to spend time and energy on the stuff that is working and then spend time and energy shifting our strategies on the stuff that is not working. So I know you do a lot of in-person networking, which is really great. I get a lot of clients from in-person networking as well, which is why I keep doing it. But I would be curious to know like what your primary source of new clients is. So that way you can kind of focus on cleaning that up a little bit, getting it working better, and then kind of working on your social strategy after that. But with the tips and tricks, like stuff like this is really great, right? Um, just reminders, notifications, education about what's going on in the world of accounting and taxes. And that will really help people to kind of trust you and your knowledge if you're sharing that type of content on your Instagram and your Facebook too. And then obviously like personal stuff like this, like you should post this on your Instagram too. That's really cute. Great picture of you. Awesome to share that you have, completed the certification. That's really great. You've got a good personal story in here, which is super, super good. People connect with that really well. I would definitely share that on over to your Instagram too. And then something I tell everybody is with your Instagram, okay, you've only got one reel on there. You want to make sure that what people see when they come to your Instagram, they can understand who you are and what you do right away, just like your website, right? So using these top 3 posts here and utilizing the pinned post feature is a great thing to do. And that way, when people come to your Instagram, they can say, oh, here's a picture of her. Here's, something current she wants us to know about. And here's something about her services, right? So let me show you, I'll show you mine real quick. I've been showing this as an example. So on mine, like here's all my posts, right? But here at the top, you can see I've pinned certain posts, and some of these are newer posts, some of these are older posts. So these top 3 are what everybody sees, and then whenever I post something new, it just goes down here. So a photo of me, obviously. Right now I have a photo of my current promo that I'm running, current promo coupon right now for people to see right away. And then I'm trying to do more wall art sales and things like that right now. So I also have a picture of some client wall art here so that people kind of see that right away. And then of course they can scroll down and see all the other different stuff. So for you, I would definitely put a photo of yourself and something, educational, and then maybe something a little bit extra here, more like a post about who you serve and top services, things like that. And something that a lot of people forget about is you can repurpose what's on your website. Like, you don't necessarily have to go crazy writing a bunch of captions and whatnot for your Instagram. You can go to your website and say, okay, like, I want to make an introduction post. I want to make a post about me so that people know who I am. You grab a picture and you can copy paste your bio. You can put that as a caption. You want to talk about your services, you can go to your service page and say, hey, did you know that this is what we offer as part of, our bookkeeping packages? We offer all of this stuff. And then you can put a little call to action and say, click the link in our bio to schedule a call with us, and people can go to your Calendly and click on that and chat with you. Put out posts saying that you're accepting new clients. Everybody is always looking for bookkeepers and accountants that are accepting new clients, because especially this time of year, while you guys are so busy, there's always those people that wait until the last minute, and even if you can't serve them for this, for 2023 tax year, or 2024 rather, you can get them on your list and talk to them about doing their 2025 taxes for next year if you're full for right now. So okay, I hope that was helpful for you. It gave you some good things to work on, a good place to start. Again, I love your branding. The pink and purple is really cute. You know how to find me if you have any questions, if you want to chat about anything further, and I would love to hear your feedback on this video and any thoughts you have about the tips and tricks I'm giving you here. So thank you again for signing up for the brand audit, and I hope I get to see you in person soon.